Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Hyundai key fob battery. Very common one, used for Sonata, Santa Fe, Tucson, different years. Alright, very easy. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. What you do, open the key, flip it over, and right here you just pull it. Okay, so pull the cover, and there we go. What we do now, what I like to do is, as you can see, CR2032. Right here at the bottom there is space for the screwdriver to come in. Okay, so I take it out, and then when I put it back in, first the top part and then the bottom. Once again, right here, very easy. And then when you put it back in, top part, press, and bottom part. Okay, all you have to do now is simply to put the cover back in, and you're good to go. As you can see, it worked. Let us know what you think. Thank you.